First, import all the scenes you need into your project. Once your scenes are in place, pre-comp them. Take the laptop scene clip and apply a freeze frame so it's easier to mask without any issues. After masking the laptop screen, invert the mask. Now bring in the clip you want to place inside the laptop screen. Adjust and align that clip perfectly within the screen. Once it's aligned, pre-comp it. Then go to the middle of the clip, split it again, and either freeze frame it or apply Twixtor. Your choice. To create an overlay effect between the two clips, add a new clip above the split point that you want to use as the overlay. Align this clip properly, pre-comp it, and again, either freeze frame it or use Twixtor. On this overlay clip, animate the opacity. Set the first keyframe to 0%, and a few frames ahead, set the second to 100%. This creates a smooth opacity transition. Now create an adjustment layer and apply the glitchify effect. Add 3 keyframes. First, glitchify amount equals 0, speed equals 0, middle, amount equals 50, speed equals 50, last, both back to 0. Ease all the keyframes and apply a value graph to the speed keyframes, like I do. Optionally, you can add another clip between the transition to create a smoother link. I'm doing that here and applying my Twixtor preset on it. If you want to learn how to make your own Twixtor preset, check out our Instagram Reels. We'll also be uploading a full tutorial on YouTube very soon. Now pre-comp all the intro layers and apply the Slurmo curves effect. On the first layer, animate the Z disc. Start with a keyframe at 1.000 and then another around 0.500. Do the same on the second layer with Slurmo curves. Create another adjustment layer for the transition shake. Apply the S-shake effect and animate the amplitude. Start at 0, increase to around 1.00 or 0.600, depending on how much shake you want, and then go back to 0. Set frequency to 18. Ease all keyframes and apply the same graph style I use. On that same layer, apply BCC Lens Blur OBS. quality to normal, iris scale to 20, and gamma to 583. And animate the iris scale. Start at 0, go up to 20 in the middle, and back to 0. Ease all keyframes and make a smooth graph for this too. If the transition feels a bit sudden at the beginning, you can extend it slightly by pulling in a bit more of the next clip. Once everything is done, apply your color correction and render the final version.